Hey guys, and welcome to Cooking Radical Films Episode 2.
Cooking with Radical Films.
We'll tell you how to make Girl Scout Thin Mints in a few easy steps. Let's get started. So first you'll need your ingredients. Right down here.
Human sweat, 3 orange, 2 egg, 1 sprinkle.
First step, crack the eggs in the bowl.
Now for our second egg. Great. Now what we use is our human sweat. Delicious. Cut.
Next, we get some finely crushed oranges. This is the first method of crushing. And that's how you do it.
Now it's time for the second orange.
And next, to chop a finely diced orange into good pieces. Let's start. Oh, I can't hit it. Oh, I got him again. And one more firm chop to the little jiggly bits. Alright, we got him. Now let's take this guy, there's a little nice guy, and put him in our ingredients. Final step is to sprinkle sprinkles on the whole dish. Let's get started. Oh, look at that. Looking all nice and colorful. Gotta get some in the bowl as well. Making everything come together, really. Alright. Then after this, we'll just need to do the finishing touch.
Now it's time to put it all together. Oh boy. Oh, it looks so good. Those oranges cooked to perfection. That's what I say. Just a scratch. Remember, kids, this is what it's all about.
Looks tasty. Now let's put her in the oven. You okay? Whoa! Now we're gonna take it out of the oven after a nice cook. And there we go. Perfect Girl Scouts cookies, straight like just how Grandma used to make them. Here's a cookie for you. Come on, open up. Open up. Here comes the airplane. There we go. Now time for mine. Don't eat it. Don't let it. Oh, that's okay. I'll eat mine. That's tasty. And a recipe all of you can do at home. This was Cooking with Radical Films. And we'll be back for a later episode.
Why?